Hello everyone. This application is all about automated calculation of product cost based on bill of material. This app helps user to calculate the prices from the bill of material in the product form, and without any manual invention, user will not click any button. Automatically this particular bill of material will be updated with that particular calculation based on the product. This is for Odoo 17 Enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this module, first we need to go to the inventory module. Under the inventory, we need to go to the product master. Here I'll be putting a filter called product template tag. As for all the products, I have given the product template tag as new. So I am putting this filter, and here you will be able to see I have created 8 new products, that is gold finished goods, semi-finished goods 1, semi-finished goods 2, with raw material 1, raw material 2, raw material 3, and raw material 4. Inside this particular product, I have updated the product cost price as 1000, and inside this raw material 2 product, I have updated the product cost as 1000, and in the raw material 3 I have updated the product cost price as 1000, and in the product raw material 4 I have updated the product cost as 1000. After updating the raw material product cost, this semi-finished goods 1 product cost will be updated as 2000, and similarly by updating the raw material 3 and raw material 4 value, the semi-finished goods 2 product cost will be updated automatically. After semi-finished goods 1 and 2, this gold finished goods will be updated as 4000 based on the products. After configuration of this particular product and the product cost, I will go to the manufacturing module. Inside this, I will go to the products and bill of material. So here I'll be created a new bill of material for the product gold finished goods with the component as semi finished goods 1 and semi finished goods 2. And similarly, I have created another product as semi-finished goods 1 with the component as raw material 1 and raw material 2. And I have created semi-finished goods 2 with raw material 3 and raw material 4. After creating this bill of material, I'll go to the gold finished goods, and here I will be clicking on the bill of material overview. So in this bill of material overview, you will be able to see all the products will be displayed with the semi-finished goods and the raw material. So whatever the product cost which we have updated in the product master will be updated in the product cost of this bill of material overview. So I have updated raw material as 1000 and raw material 2 as 1000. So sum upping this 1000 and 1000, this 2000 of semi-finished goods 1 will be updated. And similarly, raw material 3 and raw material 4 is updated as 1000 and 1000. Summing up this, semi-finished goods 2 value 2000 will be updated automatically. And based on the semi-finished goods 1 and semi-finished goods 2, this gold finished goods product will be updated automatically as 4000 in this product cost, and with similar to the bill of material cost. And now I will show how we will be updating the value in the product master. So based on that, this product cost will be updated automatically without any manual invention. I'll go to the product master and click on raw material 1, and I'll be changing the value as 2000. And similarly, I'll go to the raw material 2, and here also I will change the value as 2000. And I'll go to the raw material 3 and change the value as 3000, and for the raw material 4 I'll go and I'll update the value as 3000 in this particular product master. After updating this raw materials in the product master, I'll go to the bill of material overview and refresh the screen. So here you will be able to see this particular product as semi-finished goods 1 and semi-finished goods 2 with the raw materials will be updated with this particular product cost which we have updated in the product master. So here you will be able to see the raw material 1 which we have updated as 2000 plus 2000 will be giving us 4000 in the semi-finished goods 1. And similarly, for raw material 3, I have given 3000, and raw material 4, I have given as 3000. 3000 plus 3000, 6000 will be given in the semi-finished goods 2. And similarly, semi-finished goods 1 and semi-finished goods 2, sum upping this 6 and 4, 6000 and 4000, this 10,000 will be coming up in the gold finished goods as in the product cost master. And here you will be able to see this bill of material cost will be also updated, and the product cost will be also updated manually. When I come to any one of the product gold finished goods, here you will be able to see a button compute price from the bill of material. Without clicking this button and without updating anything, if you only update the product cost and the product master, automatically in the bill of material overview, this particular product cost will be updated in this in this bill of material overview. This is regarding the automated calculation of product cost in the bill of material. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.